Hola, això és Can 60, sóc a casa amb el Martí, el meu fill gran, que vol participar en el projecte amb una cançó que no surt en principi a la llista de cançons meves preferides, però que també m'agrada molt, que és...
For the Longest Time, de Billy Joel.
Molt bé, doncs per vosaltres.
Whoa, for the longest time, whoa, for the longest, if you said goodbye to me tonight, there would still be music left to write. What else could I do? I'm so inspired by you. That hasn't happened for the longest time.
Once I thought my innocence was gone. Now I know that happiness goes on. That's where you found me when you put your arms around me. I haven't been there for the longest time. Whoa,
For the longest
time. Whoa,
For the longest,
for the longest.
I'm that voice you're hearing in the hall.
Whoa,
And the greatest miracle of all is how I need you and how you needed me too. That hasn't happened for the longest time.
Maybe this won't last very long, but you feel so right, and I could be wrong. Maybe I've been hoping too hard, but I've gone this far, and it's more than I hoped for. Who knows much how far the will go on? Maybe I'll be sorry when you're gone. I'll take my chances. I forgot how nice romance is. I haven't been there for the longest time. I had second thoughts at the start. I said to myself, hold on to your heart. Now I know the woman that you are. You're wonderful so far, and it's more than I hoped for.
I don't care what consequence it brings. I have been a fool for lesser things. I want you so bad. I think you ought to know that I intend to hold you for the longest time. Whoa, for the longest
time. Whoa,
for the longest
time. Whoa, for the longest time. Molts petons a tots.